Welcome to Real Life Investing. This is Al getting in contact with you guys today. You know what we're talking about today. Yeah, we got a big time winner, of course. We're going to be talking about Quant. So things going very well with Quant. So just a heads up on what is happening. So let's keep ourselves, keep that in mind. It's already up 2% today. Looks like it's trying to peak to that 110. So let's see what's happening on the 7-day with Quant. It's pretty much even right here. So let's see, over the month, Quant is only down 8%. So that means we got a lot of momentum over the year. Let's see what's happening. Over the year, Quant is up 52%. So that is a very positive sign. Just a heads up, whatever part it was down, it looks like it's going up. So let's make sure that we try to catch this upward trend before it gets so high until we miss a little bit of profits. We don't want that to happen, right? So remember, whatever we say on the channel is not financial advice, but we ask you to like and subscribe to the channel. We want you to join us, so subscribe, and we'll keep you abreast of anything that you need to know. Also, if you ever want us to study a certain crypto or give you a certain breakdown of crypto, we'll do that for you. We just did that with Shadow Token the other day for someone, and we'll do it for you for whatever crypto that you're looking for. I think we did that with Stater or something of that nature a few weeks ago as well. Now, let's keep it moving over here. Let's go to the crypto price. Looks like Bitcoin is at $109,000. Now, we got Ethereum trying to get to that 2,700 as well. So looking pretty good. Fear and greed is neutral. We got the market cap at $3.3 trillion. Let's see what the Bitcoin dominance is. The Bitcoin dominance is going to be at 64%. Ethereum at 9.4%, and we got others at 26.5%. So let's just go ahead and talk about Quant consistently here. Remember that Quant is going to be trusted. This is the actual website, you guys. Quant is trusted by central banks and global financial institutions. You got your euro here. You got your UK finance. You're going to have the digital pound, the digital euro, and the UK RLN. Now, who do we serve? Quant serves corporates as far as Quant Flow. Quant also serves banks, and it also serves capital markets. It does go down to the individual as well, but the question is, ready to redefine how your money works for you? Definitely Quant is on the move, but let's keep it moving as well, going to the next bit of information that we have here. Now, the next information we have here is on the Quant X site. So money that thinks for itself. Finance Day featured our breakthrough programmable money infrastructure that's rewriting global finance. Taxes that file themselves. Holy cow, these guys are kicking some posterior. They're doing great. Treasury flows that react instantly. Payments that execute complex logic automatically. Let's see, what the heck are they saying? We're not just digitizing money, we're making it intelligent. Of course, I know that. Quant has some smart money on their hands, right? They're doing it. Oh my goodness, these guys are kicking butt again. Look at this. Best programmable payments platform. Congratulations to all the award recipients. So holy guacamole. Once again, Quant is bringing home the gold, right? So very nice for Quant. Just a heads up on that. Asking why did they build the layer 2? One public chain access, but today's infrastructure creates compliance and interoperability barriers. So Quant takes away those barriers. Just a heads up on that information. Quant is looking fantastic. There's a lot of other good information on the X site, but let's just keep it moving as well. Let's see what else we've got to talk about. Just a little bit. Oh, John is some. I just want to read this for a moment. Now I'm going to keep it moving. Let's see what else we got here. Now, this is some other good information. Crypto news talking about Quant price forms a rare pattern, and the 70% surge is likely. So this is from July 4th. And it says it's from Crispus in Naga. Listen, I apologize. Whoever it is, I'm sure it's a very smart individual. Unfortunately, I'm not too smart with the names. My apologies. All right, remember whatever we say is not financial advice, especially when we're getting the names wrong. My bad. So it just a bit heads up. It says quant prices rebounded in the past few months following its expanded partnerships with the European Central Bank and Oracle, and has formed a rare chart pattern that points to further gains in the coming weeks. That means these weeks, guys. Just a little bit of a heads up. Perhaps that is why we see this price here that we looked at a little bit earlier, right? Quant being at 109, it may go up a little bit higher. So just a heads up, if you haven't invested in quant yet, this is a good time to think about it. We're not trying to guarantee anything, but it's a good time to think about it because it may go up from here. Is that correct? Yeah. So just a heads up on that information, right? So now, so keep this in mind, 70% surge is likely. And also on the last video I showed you guys that chart as well. I showed you the upside down head and shoulders, the inverse head and shoulders pattern. And I was showing you that quant was looking like it was going to go up. And that was like over a month's time or something of that nature. So keep that in mind that this would also be in, how to say, in conjunction with the inverse head and shoulders pattern we saw as well. So most likely these people know what they're talking about. Keep it moving here. And let's see what I can find as well. I got this nice little information. See if I can scroll back up and get this for us. Oh, this is from Coin World. Crypto altcoins, and this is from July 4th as well. Crypto altcoins, Polkadot, Quant, Solana, Chainlink, poised for gains. So we know which one we're talking about today is going to be Quant. I have a video on Polkadot as well, so if you can fish around the channel for that one. But let's keep it moving. Quant is another altcoin poised for substantial gains. It's already surged by 85% from its lowest point this year, driven by partnerships with blue chip companies like Oracle and Hitachi, as well as organizations like the European Central Bank. Quant has moved above the 50-day and 100-day moving averages and is nearing the, the 50% Fibonacci retracement level. Nice. This momentum is expected to continue as bull targets the key resistance level at $125 and 30 cents, of course, with the potential break above this level pointing to further gains, possibly reaching the psychological point at $150. Just a heads up, guys. We're seeing a lot of confirmations from article after article. And I showed you the chart the last time. If you want to go back and look at the channel and watch that video to see that pattern, a lot of great things are happening. Listen, I'm not the only one talking about the positivity of quant. So majority of you guys know what's up with quant. This is a surefire winner. One of the things we can definitely say about quant is that once again is first again, right? So best altcoins to buy now. Quant, number one. So Quant Fusion, as you notice right here, it says Quant is the number one. Once again, it is first. Quant focuses on interoperability, one of the main issues facing crypto, with the help of Overledger, a blockchain operating system. DeFi apps, smart contracts, and tokens may communicate easily across Ethereum, Polygon, Avalanche, and other networks without the need for fragile bridges. Nice. So definitely a game changer, my people. Just saying. So this is the reason why they built that layer 2.5, is so they could bridge in between the different blockchains. These guys are completely impressive. Just saying, not financial advice, but it's a good time to think about jumping into quant if you can. Now, let's move a little bit further. I got this one last bit of information that I'm going to give you, and I think this is it for today. But this is from the Masari website. And I'm going to read you the positive information here as well. These guys are kicking some posterity. Just saying, not financial advice, right? But quant.network news and insights. Currently interested, this is from July the 9th. I guess that's today where I'm at anyways. Major development for Quant Network this week is the upcoming launch of the Fedwire ISO 20022 upgrade scheduled for July 14th, 2025. This upgrade is significant because it enhances the efficiency of cross-border payments and is expected to accelerate the adoption of digital assets in the financial sector. Quant is highlighted as one of the top 5 crypto projects positioned to benefit from this transition thanks to its Overledger technology, which enables interoperability between different blockchain networks and legacy financial systems. Financial institutions are currently testing their integrations to ensure a smooth transition, and the core infrastructure of Fedwire will remain stable during the rollout. So it says that the standard introduces advanced data capabilities, which could lead to broader institutional adoption of blockchain solutions and digital assets, making Quant's interoperability focus especially relevant. So just saying, guys, Quant is kicking some major posterior. It is doing very well. It's still #1 in several things, still winning awards, still doing great. Oh, I am going to mention just one other thing. For those of you who are new, and for some of you who are old and need to be reminded of this, but I don't want to say old as in age, but I'm talking about old to Quant. You already know about Quant. But don't forget that the circulating supply of Quant is only 12 million, guys. Just keep that in mind, which is even rarer than Bitcoin. So hold on to your hats. We already know the good stuff is going on and the good times are rolling. As I've already told you, I'm trying to hold on to as much Quant as I can, and I'm trying to accumulate as much as I can before this sucker starts to really pop off. So anyways, just saying, Quant is doing it again. They're always doing it, and keep that in mind. We just want to make sure that we're, when it's all said and done, we did as much as we could to scoop as much as we could. This is Al, Real Life Investing. Remember, take your time, do your best, be patient, and things are going to go extremely well with Quant. Have a good one, y'all. Bye.
Please share, like, comment, and subscribe to Real Life Investing. And thank you for watching.